In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mint Mobile International Roaming, allowing you to stay connected worldwide without the hassle. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just about to embark on your first overseas adventure, understanding how to access and utilize international roaming with Mint Mobile can save time and effort. To begin, it's important to know that with Mint Mobile, international roaming isn't automatically enabled, so you'll need to adjust a few settings. First, let's start by ensuring your device is prepared. Make sure your phone is compatible with Mint Mobile's roaming services. Specifically, you should verify that your device is unlocked and capable of operating on the frequencies used in your travel destination. Most modern smartphones are equipped for this, but a quick check will prevent any unexpected surprises. Now, let's move to your Mint Mobile account. Accessing your account is straightforward. Simply log in using the Mint mobile app or the website. Once you're in, head to the International Roaming section. Here, you'll be able to purchase roaming credits. Mint Mobile uses UpRoam credit, which you can buy in increments. You have options such as $5, $10, or even more, depending on your anticipated usage. Think of it as a prepaid gateway that fuels your calls, texts, and data overseas. Remember, each country has different rates, so it's wise to review the rates for your destination beforehand to gauge how much credit you might need. With your credits ready, let's configure your phone settings. Ensure that data roaming is enabled. On most devices, this setting resides under your network or mobile options. Switch it on so that your phone knows to use roaming data when you're outside your home network. Roaming can consume your credits rapidly if your phone uses data-intensive apps in the background, so make sure to disable automatic downloads or updates and consider restricting background data usage. International calls and texts are an essential part of roaming, so it's worth noting that dialing instructions can vary. Typically, ensure you include the country code for each number you dial. For US numbers, this would simply be a +1 before the area code. Finally, if you encounter issues while abroad, Mint Mobile's customer support is accessible 24/7 to help resolve any concerns. Save their contact information before your trip for quick access. Utilizing online forums or community boards can also provide real-world insights and troubleshooting tips specific to your destination. In summary, having the right setup can make staying connected while traveling straightforward and seamless. With this guide, you're ready to enjoy your journey with Mint Mobile's international roaming services, keeping you connected wherever you roam. Safe travels.